You know I got a new roomie the other day.
Yep, got a whole new room.
Yep.
Yep.
Whole new room, new roomie. There's been a bit of a shuffle around in the house.
Yep.
And this new roomie, you know when you first move in, you're a little bit flustered, you're not settled yet.
Yeah.
You're kind of flapping about, you don't know what to do.
Yeah, got to find your way in the house.
Don't want to get in people's way.
Don't want to get lost.
No. Anyway, he's been cleaning up a storm. Just cleaning everything he can get his eyes on. Everything that's dirty,
Yeah.
he's doing it.
Sounds like a good roomie.
Well, yeah, you could say that, but he makes me feel guilty because I'm not as enthusiastic about doing these things. So the house is spotless.
Well, that's good. Good. Yeah. Set him to work.
Yeah.
Make him pay for his own rent.
Make him pay for his own rent.
With cleaning.
But he also pays rent as well.
Yeah.
So I don't know what to think of this. What should I do? I mean, it's good. It might
Tricky.
not last forever.
Yeah.
But
What are your options?
well, I could tell him, but I kind of like that it's clean.
So you want to tell him to slow down? Just stop it, please.
Just
just chill.
Take some time out
Yeah.
to just soak in the house. You just,
Does he wear gloves a lot around the house? Like rubber gloves?
Nah,
Okay, good.
no.
Yeah.
But he was in the shower the other day and he had a yak in there.
He threw up.
Yeah, and I wasn't.
In the shower.
Yeah.
What?
I don't know. I think he's really sick. But he likes to clean a lot.
Well, maybe that's why.
Yeah, maybe he tries to keep busy.
Disgusting. So he's trying to clean his act up.
Maybe he is. Who knows? I feel bad
Yeah.
because I'm not cleaning as much. I mean, I don't throw up in the shower, but
So what are you going to do?
I don't know. I might just make the house dirtier so he gets pissed off.
You're going to go out of your way to make it dirtier.
Yeah, well, it's an option. I don't know. So I haven't locked it in yet, but
God. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay. If you have a solution, you can give us a call, 92275953. How can Gaff, I guess, come to grips with this clean roommate? Jeff reckons he's not that clean, but this guy is really clean, and Jeff is getting uncomfortable. What do you do?
What do you do?